that is important when they are thinking about hiring an attorney?
Well, you know, what's important, and as you alluded to, I was fortunate to spend a brief period of time when Talladega County did have a Third Circuit judge, and I was honored to be in the position, albeit 13 months. It was a good experience, and it certainly helped the caseload that I know that people around Alabama deal with. Right. What's important, I think, when someone looks to hire an attorney is, first of all, do they need to hire an attorney? Most of the time that answer is yes, because if you're dealing, whether it be a business, an entity, or certainly with an insurance company, they're paying someone between $150, $350 an hour to protect their best interest. So who's going to protect yours? And so with that, it's like anything else, it's research. Word of mouth is certainly the best advertisement there is word of mouth. If you take care of people, you're good at what you do, you treat people right, they'll come and see you. And quite frankly, if you do the opposite of that, no one walks in the door. So that's what I think the best model is word of mouth, research. Make sure it's someone that does the type of work. Certainly they wouldn't walk in your office to defend themselves against a car accident. So do the research on the front end and find out what your problem is and go see someone.
You know, around the courtroom, like somebody that does try cases, is that something that you feel like is important?
Absolutely. You know, unfortunately, the general public believes all lawyers do the same thing. Nothing could be further from the truth. Nothing against the profession. It's like anything else. There are very good trial lawyers. There are some guys in the world that can't, but they do a complex business transaction. And so being in the DA's office, being on the bench, ultimately now finding myself on the other side of the table, if you will, it's a gift. Either you can try a case in front of a jury or you can't. So much is made that all lawyers do the same thing, and that's just not true.
And you would recommend anybody that wants to hire an attorney to ask, do you try these cases and what are your results?
Absolutely. There's nothing wrong with walking in and talk. Just as you're reading the client, let them read you. There's not someone walking my office and, do you try these type of cases? I do. Well, when's the last one you tried it? You better be able to answer it. And that is, I try them here, I try them in this county, I try them in that county, and here's the results. I can't promise you the same result, but I can certainly promise you that I know my way around that courtroom.